Hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. For new visitors, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more updates. For this video of Android Kotlin programming tutorial, you will learn about how to display line chart data in full details, an Android chart tutorial series, Kotlin for Android Studio 2023 tutorial. So let's start. If you watched the previous tutorial, we will use this library, MPAndroidChart. And the quick overview is the manifest, the glider properties, wrapper and glider properties, and then let's start. There's a lagging compute. So here it is. Just change it. You can watch the previous tutorial about line chart candlestick on this YouTube channel. So for this tutorial, let's just change it. If we use the line chart, then just import, just select this, and then let's copy this. Just reuse the previous data. And then let's just use the line dataset. Then just delete the previous features. We don't need that for line data chart. And then for the color, set color. We can use this type of color. Then let's just run a simple chart design. While waiting, you can they call this. You can subscribe to this YouTube for more updates in Android programming tutorial, especially for Android chart tutorial series. For now, we simply run the simple chart display in our Android app. It is only a validation or an optional code, but this is important to display the chart and the data in the chart. So that's it, the simple chart tutorial for displaying data. Now let's just customize the chart. So let's just tap again, and then we can add. What if we use the previous data? Let's just use this customizing chart. We can undo the like, and then just rename this. Then simply run the app. So for this, if you watch the previous tutorial, we can animate when showing the line in the chart. There it is. There is an animation. Then we can zoom in or zoom out up. So if we use this legend, this is also applicable in this line chart. Just run again. And there it is. There's a line legend or line chart. So let's just stop again. Then we can call this. We can resume. Just type data set again, and then value, text color, white, because the background is black. Then data, then circle color. We can customize the circle color. Then it is because this is a multiple list, we use the list of color. And just the default is yellow, and then we can customize the width, line width, and also this is that we can. Let's just run again. Always use the float in line chart, not an integer. Here it is. There is a line width, the increase. Finally, we can use that data. We can use the circle radius. There is. I think 12 is enough. Then stop, then run again. So this is it. We increase the radius or a circle. We can zoom it out. Yes, this is it. And there. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more updates in Android programming tutorial. If you watch this video, add some reviews and thank you comment for this tutorial. Thank you.